Hey guys, I'm very excited about today's video. This is the Impress the No Glue Falsies. Long lasting up to 5 days, one step lash. So this is what it looks like. These are brand new. The box is really heavy. I'm not even gonna lie, it's actually, like if I were to compare it to, so I have this pack from mascara as well. I was going to do a video on this as well. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I'm going to do this one first because I'm more excited about it. It's as heavy as this pack, and this is like double the size. So, if you are new here, hello, my name is Josie, and I post videos in the beauty realm. And if that interests you, please hit that subscribe button and become part of the GLAMFAM. If you have a request for a video, put it down below. And if you guys see a video request that you would really like to see in the comments, go ahead and like it. And the more likes that it gets, the better the more I'll see it. And then we'll do some requests. Let's jump into this. So, this is what the package looks like. It's really pretty. I wish I had another, where's the original? Yes, so this is the original one that I traditionally loved. This is the new one. The difference being this, if you look really close, I don't know if my camera's gonna focus. All right, see the lash line? See how dark it is? That's the glue on each lash. Look at these. See how light that lash line is? The glue is see-through. Come on. Okay, so the glue line is much thinner, and also the glue is completely clear, which is very exciting. So we're gonna go ahead and demo this and kind of try these out, see how they look. Let's jump into it. All right, so it's just the case that's heavy. I was actually really wondering what it was. There's like a little packer in here that's nothing. And then this is just the case. So what the heck? All right. A friend of mine was wondering why these were so heavy compared to the other ones. And Rach, it's just because it's the packaging. It's just the thing that they come in. That's, wow. Okay. Well, let's read these instructions and get on with it. This is the pack that it comes with. This is the Demi Wispies. And I actually really like this applicator. It's a little different than the other one. It's more slanted. Ooh. I think I like that. I don't know if I'm supposed to take these little rubber things off of it, or if I'm supposed to keep them on. They're kind of squishy, so I feel like maybe they're supposed to help grip. But it's kind of scary because if glue gets on this, it's really gonna stick to that. I don't know. I do like the case, and I actually would reuse the case for something else, like for lashes or something. The case is actually really, really nice, which makes sense because these are expensive. So let's look them up. All right, these are $17.99. Which, my heart, but it is a set, and if it does last the 5 days, then it would totally be worth it. They are on sale at Ulta right now for $12.59. I don't know how long that's going to last, but that's a really good deal. So it says, these pre-bonded lash clusters are waterproof, reusable, and stay on for up to 5 days. So the how to use is pluck a cluster from the tray. Place the cluster underneath your natural lash, and then tips for reuse is reactivate the adhesive by simply rinsing with water, which is very insane. Avoid oil-based removers to reuse the lashes. And then how to remove them, saturate a cotton ball with... It just said to avoid oil-based removers, and now it's saying to remove them, you saturate a cotton ball with oil-based remover. Oh my goodness. Hold for 10 seconds and gently wipe the clusters. All right, so that seems easy enough. Let me zoom you guys in and let's do this. Real close. Okay, all right. So we're gonna open this up, look at our lashes. I'm going to start on my outer corners with the biggest one. I always like to start on my outer corners because if you start on your inner corners, I feel like the lash may not fit, but when you're going into your corners or inner corners, even if one more doesn't fit, it's still tapered down enough where it looks natural. Pluck that off. Here we go. All right, place this underneath the lash line. Ooh. And I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze the band to the lashes. Oh, that worked very nicely. Let's do the other eye. Then we're going to go in with the next one. Place this right next to it. You know, these look very natural and they're really, really light. All right, let's do the next one. It's really pretty, guys. I actually might go in with just 3, maybe 4. We'll see. We're going to go in with a 10 millimeter. Oh, wrong way. This one. I literally can't even feel them on my eyes. Oh, that's wild. Wild. Oh. These are gorgeous. These are so pretty. All right. I'm going to go in with one more. I thought I was going to just stay with what I had, but I'm just going to go in with one more just to blend it a little bit more with our natural lashes. All right, guys. That's really pretty. And I don't know about the reusing thing. I will keep you guys updated in the comments below or in the description on how they worked out and how long they lasted. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial slash demo of the lashes going on. I will keep you guys updated in the comments and the description below with how good these last and also if I can reuse them. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah. Alright guys, so update. Hello. I am at work right now. These are the lashes the next day. They still look really good, and let me tell you, I am not a peaceful sleeper. I love how they are looking. And they kept their curl. And also, there was a spot where it kind of went down a little bit, and it curled super, super easily. So that's very exciting for me. So this is day 1. And honestly, if I could just wear them for 2 days, I'd be happy.